Alright, dude, we are live. What's up, guys? This is Dem Keys, and today I'm going to be attending the Community Meetup event. Um, this is an event where world creators show off worlds that they've been working on. They might be old worlds, they might be new worlds, or they might be work in progress worlds that haven't been released yet. So we're gonna go check out a bunch of cool worlds in VRChat, and after that, I'm gonna be doing some Godot studies. I still haven't fully decided what I want to do research on today because thing is, I do want to do the networking side of things, but at the same time, I'm trying to understand the difference between 2D and 3D in Godot, or rather, how 2D and 3D are handled in Godot, because in Godot, when you select a 2D node, it automatically switches to the 2D workspace. And when you select a 3D node, it switches to the 3D workspace. That kind of makes mixing 2D and 3D a little complicated. There are ways to mix 2D and 3D, and that's fine from the rendering point of view, but I'm thinking more about like the editing point of view. So like when I'm setting up the scene, how do I mix 2D and 3D? So that's why I'm trying to get a better understanding of how 2D and 3D are handled in Godot. And let's say we wanted to mix 2D and 3D, how would I go about setting up 2D objects in a 3D scene? That being said, we are gonna be attending the community meetup event first. And dude, I need to get into Resonite as well, because there's a bunch of things that I want to experiment with in Resonite. I haven't had the chance to do that in the past couple of days because I've been busy with some other stuff. But I'm wondering if I should do that on stream. Because like, I mean, in the end, I'm just like experimenting and learning. I'll see. For now though, let's check the group, because I think the group must have already... Oh, okay, so they've moved to the first world, which is a world called Guns, the Dual Garden. Okay, cool. Is this a public world? No, the world hasn't been released yet. And we are getting a chance to check it out, so let's go. Give me a second, let me hydrate while the world is downloading. Okay, so what are we looking at here? Is there like an intro? So okay, I looked at this and I thought that this is gonna be like a, because of the name, I thought this was gonna be like a PvP kind of thing. But now I'm wondering if this is a hangout world made. Oh, hold up. Let me just confirm that the world audio is muted. Nope, world audio was not muted. I hope this didn't come through on stream. Okay, Guns, the Dual Garden, map created by Fujin. Wait, what is Guns exactly? Let me just Google this. Guns. Okay, so this is Guns, the Duel, or simply Guns, or well, Gunzy, was an online third-person shooting game created by so and so. It was free to play. Okay, so is this meant to be a recreation of one of the maps in Guns, and like they turned it into a sort of chill hangout spot? Can I turn this off? Okay, great. Yeah, I'm wondering if that was the objective here. I don't know if they have like gun mechanics, any kind of shooting mechanics set up. We are looking at a non-released version of the world, so I don't know if they plan on adding something, or was the idea to create a hangout sort of world. You know what? Okay, so Spookality entries, the date for Spookality submissions is over. At this point, I feel like we can find Spookality. You know what? Wait. So last time, VRChat had added. Oh, hold up. I just noticed this. Spookality 2023. Why are there two of these? Is one for avatars and one for worlds, or? Spookality Hangout Worlds. Okay. Spookality Scary World. Dude, I like that they created a curated list. That's cool. Yeah, cool. So this gives us a sort of central location to look at. Hell yeah. And wow, holy shit, we've got a lot of worlds to look at. Yeah, okay, so I'm wondering if I should do a stream checking out a bunch of Spookality worlds. I'm wondering if I should do that on stream or if I should just go by myself and explore the worlds. Yeah, you know what? I think I'll explore by myself and see, cuz like for the longest time I haven't done stuff, like at least in terms of exploring, without there being kind of an objective, or without it being on stream. I haven't just gone exploring by myself. It's usually been maybe there's a group showing us worlds, or maybe there's a community meetup event, or there's something else because of which I would get to see and know about all the worlds. Maybe I should go exploring by myself. I should probably also try exploring in Resonite by myself. The thing is, in Resonite, I'm much more interested in the creator tools, and that's like all I want to do. I just want to play around in like my own private world, building different node setups and doing a bunch of different things, because there's still a lot for me to explore in Resonite. So right now, that's mainly what I spend my time doing. All right, hold up. Let's see where the rest of the group is. Okay, they're still in guns. All right, let's explore this place a little more and see what is going on here. In the meantime, while the rest of the group leaves the world and moves on to a different world, let's take a look at the list for today. Wait, what's going on here? Oh, you know something else that I like? Resonite. I know I'm talking about Resonite a lot during a VRChat stream, but like I'm excited for this. Wait, what is this? Moderation office hours? What does that mean? You can listen in on voice chats. That's interesting. Holy shit. I should try this sometime. Well, I mean, I don't know if they're still going to be doing it after my stream is over, but yeah, okay. So, I've been seeing Resonite's notifications because like I've joined their Discord, so I've been seeing notifications of like their live streams. Some people from the team they do live streams where I think they showcase various things. Like they showcase worlds and they probably showcase creators as well. I don't know exactly, or maybe they showcase communities. And they'll probably also be talking about various tools that are available. But yeah, dude, it's good to see. It's good to see this platform. It's good to see this platform sort of trying various things to sort of put themselves out there and introduce themselves to the wider audience, so other people find out about Resonite and they give it a try. Cause dude, it's amazing, and like Resonite already has like a community going. In fact, there's a lot of Neos VR users who joined Resonite, and they have familiar tools to work with as well, which is great. That works out pretty well for them, so they're able to try and migrate stuff from that platform to this platform, or if not migrate, then at least create a copy of what they made there in Resonite. So that's good to see. Another major advantage there is that there's already a community there to help people out, because like I've had multiple situations where I had some kind of doubt about how to do something, and I posted in their forum on their Discord, and there's usually somebody with a reply. Not just one person, there's usually multiple people with a reply. So they have a community that's willing to help out. Give me a second, let me hydrate. All right, let's see where the rest of the group is. Are they still here? Let's see where the other people are. Yeah, I think they're still in this world. Also, real quick, I just need to do something. Just a second. Okay. Oh, what is this? Yeah, we haven't looked at this side. Have we? Oh, I think we have, because like this whole thing, it kind of it's all kind of like connected together, even from the underground, I think. Maybe? I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. Here it is. You know what this is reminding me of? Counter-Strike. There was a map in Counter-Strike which was sort of like a home kind of thing. Home or office, I don't know. There was some kind of villa. So you guys could have your little gun battle in the villa, in the front yard of the villa, which there was like a bunch of things, and there was even like a underground sort of thing. Not exactly underground, but like there was a basement for the house, and I think that basement led out into like a dirt hole from which you could like climb out and then get out of the house and you know, move around in the map. This is kind of reminding me of that. I'm just waiting for the group to jump. They seem to be stuck in this place. And okay, that's making me wonder if there's something I'm missing here. Have we missed something? Because like in the beginning, I was wondering if... Is this for a mirror? Yeah, okay, this is mirror controls. Okay, give me a second. Let me open up the Community Meetup stream. Where's that keyboard gone? Here it is. Okay. VRChat, Community Meetup. Okay. So what is going on here? Moving world. Okay, cool. They're moving on to the next world. Okay, so they're having some kind of discussion now. I like that they've gone back to streaming the Community Meetup events again. I don't know if it's Cyan who's doing it or somebody. I think somebody else is doing it because I do see Cyan in the chat. I'm seeing Dyslexic's name mentioned here. So I wonder if it's Dyslexic who's streaming. Their name is Dyslexic, by the way. Just putting that out there. Okay, so they are about to move to the next world. So let's just keep this stream open and mute the thing so I can come back here at any point. Okay, so they are currently deciding where to put the spawn. You know, okay, dude, okay, so I kind of want to, you know what, let me check the Resonite category because silly as this may sound, I don't want to be in a category where I'm going to attract too much attention. I know, okay, chill out with that volume. Okay, Resonite. I think that's a category. No, that's the account. I'm looking for the category. Oh yeah, there. I forgot about this. They have events as well. Creator events. Like currently they have something called Creator Jam going on, or I think it's over already. I think they do it like every now and then, which is great. It's a good opportunity to learn because like they'll give you a theme and then you can make whatever you want based on that theme. All right. Okay. Have they jumped? Okay. The list has not updated for some reason. All right. Okay. Let's just go here. So, the Library of Babel. Cool. Oh, by the way, I didn't give a shout out to this world. The world hasn't been released yet, so I don't think you're going to be able to check it out just yet. But this world is called Guns, the Dual Garden, and it is made by Fujin. That is this person. They, I believe, they have other. Yeah, okay. They have a couple of other worlds. So yeah, go check out their worlds. And now let's jump to the next world, which is the Library of Babel by Mahu. I feel like we've seen one or more of their worlds previously because I recognize this name. And this world is public as well, so you guys can go check it out as well. Oh wow, okay, this is gonna take a bit to download, so in the meantime, let's talk about Resonite. So it's kind of exciting for me exploring this new tech, especially because there's so much that you can explore and there's a lot that you can do all within the app itself. Like you don't have to go anywhere outside the app. At least in terms of like, let's say, building a world. Oh, something I need to try is loading 3D models into Resonite from outside, because I believe like that is possible as well. I just have to see how to do it. Okay, the world is loading. All right, so, oh dude, look, right off the bat, I like I think what I'm really loving here is the ambient occlusion. The ambient occlusion going on here looks it looks amazing. I wonder if this is baked or if it's through post processing. View distance. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I can control how far I'm able to see. I'm guessing that helps performance. Wait, what is going on here? Oh, okay, 24 rooms view distance. Let's reduce that. Let's reduce it down to 6. Oh wow, it still doesn't impact my experience in a negative way, because like I'm still able to let's see. Yeah, see, even now, I'm still able to see like quite far away. Oh, okay, there's the impact. Oh, wait, what is going on here? Hold on. What? Okay, let's read this. Based on the just a second. Okay. Based on the short story of the same name by Argentine author so and so so and so, the universe, which others call the library, is composed of an indefinite, perhaps an infinite number of hexagonal galleries with enormous ventilation shafts in the middle, encircled by very low railing. From any hexagonal, the upper no from any hexagon, the upper or lower stories are visible interminably. Okay. Um, all books are made up of the same 28 symbols. The same 28 symbols? The space, the period, and the 26 letters of the alphabet in varied arrangement. All books are made up of the same 20. Okay, hold on. Furthermore, this is an unfathomably vast library. In this unfathomably vast library, there are no two identical books. All books are made up of the same 28 symbols. The space, the period, and the 26 letters of the alphabet in varied arrangements. I'm trying to understand why they put it in that way. Because isn't that just another way of saying that they're sentences? So like alphabets, 26 letters of the alphabet in varied arrangements is words, and then you add spaces and periods in between, that becomes sentences. Okay, anyways. Thus the library is total. It contains everything. Minutely detailed history of the future, works by famous authors, even the true story of your death. Okay, you may use the compass to navigate the library or perhaps just wander. Compass? Cool. So this is, I like that they've presented it in this way. So it makes it easy to copy the link if you want to copy, if you need to copy it. So yeah, this world is made by Mahu, that is this person. I like the colors going on with their avatar. Let's give a proper shout out. So this world is called the Library of Babel, or Babel. I don't know how that's meant to be pronounced. I'm gonna say Babel. The Library of Babel by Mahu, that is this person. Oh, I think I remember where I've seen that. I've seen this person's. I've seen videos by this person on Twitter. I think they've made like a bunch of cool stuff, and through that I've seen they've made cool tech in VRChat, and that is why I remember their name. I think so. I don't remember. But they have a bunch of other worlds that you can go check out as well. So go check them out. This world was made possible with the support of my friends and the amazing community of VRChat. Music by rob.exe, made specifically for this world. And then there's credits for various plugins that have been used. Alright, great. Let's go. You know what? Just so as to not negatively impact the experience. Let's do this. Okay, so hold up. You are able to pick up each book. How do I change the page? Oh, okay. I just have to click on it. So that... Wait, was there an ad playing at some point? Oh, no. Now there's an ad playing. Okay, so I'll sit quiet for 30 seconds. All right, welcome back. Also, hello, Sarah. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. How are you doing? We are currently attending the Community Meetup event, and we are checking out... Wait, what is this? Oh, this is the compass they were talking about. Hold up. What? This is kind of cool, dude. Find travelers. Okay, this is in case you have multiple people. Search index. This library contains all knowledge. Longer pages of text are found deeper in the library. Okay, what if I search for, let's say, mouse? I guess I'm okay. Hell yeah. Cool. Nice. So let's try searching and see what shows up here. The compass is guiding you along the shortest path to the library through the library to your destination. The knowledge you seek is 2 hexagons away on page 71 of a book. Oh, wow. That is crazy. So they have indexed every single book, and you have this search function that actually guides you. It points you to the specific book that has what you're looking for. That is crazy, dude. That is insane. Oh, here's the guide. Oh, dude, this is cool. This is crazy cool. Oh, these are stairs that let you go up. Okay. Let's follow the... I like that they've set up this guiding system. That is crazy cool, dude. Hold up, this is... Also, can we just appreciate how, like, infinite the whole thing looks? This is insane, dude. Wait, what direction is this going in? Here. Okay. And there's the book. Alright, which page did it say it was on? I don't remember the page number. It said page something. Oh crap. Why did I fall just by crouching? Why did I fall? Okay, anyways, let's keep going. Let's go back to this place. Okay, where's that compass gone? Did the compass reset? Okay, let's... Alright, that's the book. Let's open it up. And it's Okay. Fell down again. Great. What is going on? Why am I falling down? Okay, let's try it again. Oh shit, the thing reset. Crap. Okay, let's try it again. What have you been up to? I've been doing a bunch of things. I've been I've been exploring a new game engine called Godot. Um, I've been carrying on with my AI studies a little bit. I need to get back to that. I've been working on my VTubing tech as well. And I recently started checking out this. I started exploring this new platform called Resonite. Kind of like VRChat, but you can like build all of your stuff within that app itself. You don't need to create stuff in Unity and then upload it to the server. You can just create everything within the app itself. It's actually very close. It's actually very similar to Neos VR, but like I don't know if you're familiar with Neos VR, so I mentioned VR chat. But yeah, I've been messing around with Resonite. It's fun stuff. It's pretty cool. Something I really liked about Resonite is that it doesn't force you to create an account. Just like if you just want to explore Resonite as an anonymous user, you can do that. Like without an account, you'll be considered an anonymous user and you can just go and explore a bunch of worlds. That was really cool to see. And then when you create an account, then you get a bunch of extra benefits, like for one thing, cloud storage. So you can like store up to, I think, up to 1 GB of stuff. I don't remember. I think so. And that's with a standard account. I don't know if they have like a pro account or something like that, or maybe they plan on setting something like that up later on. But yeah. I've been up to a bunch of things. What about you? What have you been up to? Let's try searching again. So let's look for mouse, navigate, uh, page 71 of a book titled so and so, so and so. So this is kind of interesting the way that they've set this up. Because, like, okay, we're going to pick up a book real quick and open it up. Each book has words. They don't all make sense, but each book has words. It has like a varying combination of alphabets. Okay, let's wait. How do I return this book? How do I return this book back? Where did I pick it up from? Okay. Let's pick this book up. Oh, okay. How do I put it back? All right. Okay. Dealing with issues. Let's just say that. Well, um, that sucks. I hope things get better. Hold up. Where was that? Yeah, okay. So yeah, like I was saying, I hope things get better. What is going on with this? Why does this keep throwing me out of the map? Okay, okay. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. All right, here we are. So now let's pick up this book. Oh, wait. All right. And here it... Okay. Fell down again. What is going on with this? Is it because of my avatar, or is there something else that's causing me to fall? Let's try navigating again. Question. What's up? Ask away. Wait, where's... Hold up. This was supposed to lead me somewhere. Is your avatar still the same or slightly different? It is, believe it or not, still the same. I have not changed my avatar in years. I kind of just stuck with this avatar because I got busy with world creation, and each time I was each time I thought about getting into Avatars 3.0, I kind of got distracted with something else, so I just never changed my avatar. I mean, I've gone into different avatars over the years, but like in terms of making my own avatar, this is I've been with this avatar for years. I do plan on testing something out once I've gone a little more further with my AI studies. I do plan on testing something out to where I can control stuff in an avatar using AI. So, like something like maybe I could ask somebody to write the word red on, like, with a pen, and then my AI program is going to read that. It's going to recognize that there's the word red written there, and then it'll change the color of the avatar. Like, just as an example, I do have some stuff planned. Okay, I want to go find that book, and I want to see the word mouse, and then I'm going to move on to a different world because there's something up with this world where it keeps throwing me off. Okay, where... I like this pathfinding system they have. That's actually pretty cool. All right. And it threw me off again. Great. Nice. Okay, dude. I give up. So we are probably gonna move to a different world if the group has moved. Um, in the meantime, if anyone else wants to come check out this world, the world is called the Library of Babel, and it is made by Mahu. That is this person. Now, I'm really wondering if the problem is my avatar, because my avatar is not a humanoid, and I'm wondering if it not being a humanoid has something to do with the issue. Still miss playing VRChat. Um, well then, get on VRChat. You can't. Oh, tech issues? That sucks. Yeah, that sucks. I mean, in the meantime, you could try to find something else then. Because, like, I mean, VRChat is not the only company, hasn't worked in forever. Computer, okay. Yeah, that sucks. That sucks. All right, is this the book? Okay, hopefully this is not going to throw me off. So it said page something, page 71, I guess. So let's just move forward. 70, 71, 72. There's the word. That is crazy. Okay. So there's a lot of interesting stuff going on here. You have this like infinitely going library. Like It has multiple floors, both up and down, and it's just infinitely extending. It just keeps on going and going and going, which is crazy. The fact that it keeps on going, because like there's a lot of trickery that they have to do in order to make it seem like it's infinite. In reality, it's not infinite, but like in order to make it seem infinite, there's a lot of trickery they have to do. But yeah, dude, that's crazy. Let's hold on. Let's respawn and see if we're able to look at the other side of this. Oh no, there's a collider. Okay. Okay, so they have jumped to the next world, which is Too Many Cthulhu's, or however that's meant to be pronounced. Oh shit, this is a world by Varnian. I think I'd seen a video of this. This is apparently something made by um I think Steve the Mitochondria. I don't remember. Uh oh shit, there's the option preload world, dude. Let's try that out. No, 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 wait, let's not. Hold up. Let me create my own instance. So apparently Varnian tried to oh crap. How do you go about creating how do you go about creating an instance and then preloading? Where was the preload option? Was there a preload option? Let me see the next time I want to try and load into a new world. But yeah, I'd seen a video that Vanian posted of something made by Steve, I think, that Vanian decided to turn into a car or something along those lines. So I guess we're going to be looking at that. The design looks kind of cool. I don't know exactly what Cthulhu is supposed to mean in this context, but the design of the car looked kind of cool. Man, it's really cool seeing a bunch of the stuff that Vanyan works on. Because if you guys don't know, Vanyan has been working on their own vehicle system. I forgot exactly what it's called. But like they built like this whole vehicle system where they set up a bunch of different types of vehicles, like various types, not just a single type. So they had like a sports car thing. They had a pickup truck thing. They had one like during their own experiment. They experimented with like I think heavy vehicles as well, stuff like big trucks and stuff like that. It's really cool. It's a pretty sophisticated system that they've set up, and I don't even know like whatever I'm saying if it's gonna do it justice or not. BRB. All right. See you in a bit. Dude, I like the way that they've set this up. This is kind of cool. Okay, so change camera is C, F is exit, space is handbrake, and WASD is movement. All right, confirm. So let's do, wait, I have money here. Why do I have money? Okay, let's go to the garage. Okay, what is going on here? Holy shit, what is this map, dude? There's a lot more than just... What is this map? This seems really cool. Uh, okay, so there's no preload option here. Okay, let's try this again. So let's preload the, well, okay, yeah, the world is already downloaded. So let's do the preload thing later. How do I bring up that menu again? Fast travel to the lobby. Okay, so the menu is in the lobby. All right, what's under options? Maybe nothing yet. How do I go back from here? Oh, it's a breadcrumb. Oh, shit. Okay. Where's the menu here? How do I access the menu from other places? Okay, let's look at vehicles. Okay, there's nothing under vehicles. Patreon, what's new? Let's take a look at what's new. I'm wondering if this is something that just hasn't loaded properly, or if it hasn't been made yet, because like that's like the world is still not released yet. So I wonder if it's like a work in progress thing. Let's go into free roam. Um, Before that, let's go back to the lobby. Let's turn off, because I want music here, but I want to use my... Speaking of music, the music stopped. I just noticed that. So let me just set that up. Give me a second while I make sure that the music is still going. Okay. All right, great. Music is still going. Speaking of music, shout out to Machine Supremacy. Go check them out. Pretty awesome band, pretty awesome music. And if you are into video game type of music, a lot of their music is inspired by video game music. So you'll enjoy their stuff. Now I'm gonna mute this music that's in the world, and then I'm gonna unmute world sounds so that we can hear the car as we are driving. Alright, so let's go into free roam. And what is this? Alright, where is the car? How am I supposed to get access to the car? Do I need to go to the garage? Wasn't the garage empty? Okay. Okay, let me open up the Community Meetup live stream and see. Okay, there is a car there. But I don't have a car here. Is there supposed to be a car here? I think there's supposed to be a car. Okay, can I get into one of the other vehicles? Is that a thing? Okay, so this is kind of funny because like this is supposed to be a world where we drive, but so far for me it's been walking simulator. And I don't know if it's because something glitched out in the world or if maybe they've set it up so that only when they are in the world they are able to spawn a car. Or if there's something that I need to do that I haven't done yet. Like as in to sort of spawn the car. Okay, let's go back to the lobby and see what. Okay, I guess let's wait and see if anything pops up here. Am I able to access something here? Because it says I have. Wait, there's cars here, right? No, I don't think I'm able to access either of these cars. Really cool looking cars, though. In fact, I'm trying to remember if I have seen this car in NFS Underground 1 or Underground 2. Like if I've seen it in either of those at all. Okay, garage, options. Dude, none of this stuff is loading for me. Can I, let's try rejoining the world. Okay. View the active input configuration for desktop and click confirm. C is to change the camera. Okay, okay, alright, great. Now, there's nothing under vehicles. Okay. Okay, yeah, dude, I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I don't know why it's not loading for me. Let me, you know what, let me go back in that live stream and see if it loaded for anyone else. Okay, so they shifted worlds, okay. Then they confirmed. All right. Great. Okay, so they didn't see anything in options either. Then they clicked on free roam and the car was there. Okay. So I'm... Wait, a bunch of people are able to spawn cars. Hold on, is it? I'm seeing people doing something here. What is this? Okay. Wait, what just... You've got to be kidding me. I would not have realized this if I didn't purposely go looking around. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, fine. Anyways, Steve has done an incredible job with the art style, combining the Edge Runners anime and the detailed model of Cyberpunk 2077. And I'm really looking forward to seeing more of his vehicle models come to life. Oh, so Steve made this model. Cool. Okay. Dude, they need to do something about this. This is so... Like, I looked over here. I was looking for something, you know. I was looking for something to interact with, and like, I just did not see this at all. Holy shit. Alright, fine. Let's grab this. And... Okay. As part of our ongoing collaboration with Steve the Mitochondria, I've used my upcoming vehicle framework, vUdon Vehicles. vUdon Vehicles Lite. Okay, so that's the framework I was mentioning earlier. It's vUdon Vehicles. To turn his Quadra Type 66 Cthulhu model into a drivable car for Project Postmortem. Okay. I'm back and I have food. Welcome back, Sarah. Enjoy your meal. Oh, yeah, what are you eating? Speaking of eating, I need to eat at some point as well. I think it's been a couple of hours. Yeah, maybe I'll make something, or maybe I'll see if something is there already. Pizza, hell yeah. Nice. Okay. Steve has done an incredible job with the art style, combining the edge runners. And I'm really looking forward to seeing... Okay, cool. Do I have to click on this again? Okay. With bacon and pineapple on it. Hell yeah, dude. That sounds awesome. I've had pineapple with roasted turkey, I think. That was a good combo. Pineapple pizza with roasted turkey and a couple of other things like the usual like pizza stuff. Okay, where's the car? Like, I haven't seen a car spawning yet. Is there something else that's hidden somewhere that I need to find and then try to spawn the car? Did I have a brain fart? I don't know. Wait, what is this? Am I seeing something here? Oh, this is supposed to tell me that, yeah, it's an interactable, I guess. I'm wondering if I need to find a way to interact with this more. No, okay. Fine, so we've made a little bit of progress here. They really need to work on making this thing stand out, because I would not have seen this if I wouldn't have... In fact, I didn't even see it in the... what do you call it? The live stream that's going on. I just came back here and I was like, okay, where is this thing? Okay, is there something somewhere here that I need to look at? This looks cool. I don't even know what this is, but it looks cool. And the way that they've set this up. Okay, let's go back to the... Alright, there's nothing in the garage. Let's look at the lobby. Let's see if anything showed up now. Nope, still nothing. Let's go back to free roam. Do I need to pick something up? What am I missing here? Because they were able to spawn those cars. What am I missing here? Just a second. I'm going back in that live stream and checking. How exactly did they set up? So a bunch of people started spawning cars. I don't know how they're spawning cars though. Yeah, I have no idea what we are supposed to do to spawn the... Hold up, is this interactive? Oh, that's interesting. I'm not sure what this is supposed to unlock, but that's cool. Alright, let's look around for more interactive stuff here. Literally anything that I can pick up or interact with, because like I'm just not able to spawn the car. Oh, also, let's make sure we are keeping up with the group. Alright, so the group has jumped. You guys can check out this world whenever it gets released later on. The world is called Too Many Cthulhus, and it is made by Varnian. That is this person. Also, go check out Varnian's other worlds, because they've been doing a bunch of cool stuff. They've been working on something called Udonity, which is basically it's how do I put this? It's the Unity editor that's running in Udon. So because of that, you're able to do stuff like wherever you have this system set up, you can, for example, create a cube and then select that cube and then control its various properties and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's still a work in progress. They're adding more and more to it. Oh, dude, I should hydrate. Give me a second. Okay. So yeah, go check out Vanyan's other worlds. They're pretty cool. They're pretty awesome. One of them was actually showcasing their vehicle system. I forgot which one it was exactly. Maybe it was this one, Vanyan's Udon vehicles, or maybe this was the older version of it. I'm not sure. Okay, anyways, we're gonna move on to the next world, which is Celadon. Where have I heard that name before? Celadon. Give me a second. Let me Google this. So this is a word called Celadon Controversy. But let me just Google. Oh, you know what? Let's preload this world in the meantime. So the world is loading. Let's see what happens after that. This is cool. So we have this preloading thing going on here. Now let me open up the quick menu. There you go. That's cool. So this is VRChat's new preloading feature, where you are able to start the download process, and the download is going on in the background, and in the meantime you can just carry on exploring the world. Vanyan, no soul around, no laws. You have full freedom. World preload complete. Oh, okay, yeah. The preload is completed. Well, dude, I wish I could have done more here, but I don't know if me being on desktop kind of made something bug out or something. I don't know. But our world has, wait, you know what? That notification came up, right? Hold up. Let's look at this one more time. Yeah, no, it's still not working. Okay. So we are gonna go into this world. Let me see if this gives the option. What happens here? So accept. If I accept, what about this? View world details. Okay, let's view the world details. And here what I want to do is I want to create my own instance and join. Now, the thing has already been downloaded, right? So I should just be able to load in. There you go. It's okay, dude. This is really cool. Hell yeah. So we now have a preload feature where you can just preload the world directly, and or well, you can preload the world in the background, and in the meantime you can just continue exploring. Oh wow, this looks cool. So we're in some sort of greenhouse right now. Give me a second. All right, so let me Google what is Celadon. Celadon is a term for pottery denoting both wares glazed in the jade green Celadon color, also known as greenware, or greenware as a type of transparent. Okay, this is a bit of a long sentence. Hold on. Okay, Celadon is a type of pottery denoting both wares glazed in jade green Celadon color, also known as greenware, or greenware, and a type of transparent glaze, often. Holy shit, dude. This is a bit of a run-on sentence. And a type of transparent glaze, often with small cracks, that was first used on greenware, but later used on porcelains. Celadon originated in China, and in China, though the term is purely European, and notable kilns such as the okay, whatever. Let's just explore this place. Dude, can we just hold up? Can we appreciate these reflections? These little puddles of water? This really adds to the aesthetic, dude. Holy shit. This is cool. This is really cool. Oh man. This is crazy. Wait, do they have like any kind of like ambient sound thing going on here? What if I crank up? I'm not sure. Let me open up. Oh shit, I think I have VRChat muted in my, what do you call it? In my sound mixer. Do I? No, I don't. It seems to be at full volume. Oh, okay. That's cool. I guess either there's very subtle ambient sounds, or maybe there's no ambient sounds at all. I don't know. There's a lift here. Does this take us somewhere? Am I doing something wrong, or is this just for aesthetic? Hold on, let's see. In the community meetup live stream. This is a nice zen place that you can just hang out in. It's pretty cool. Man, this water is really adding to the aesthetic. Like, it is really adding to the aesthetic, dude. This water alone, it's kind of... This water and this, whatever you can see on the glass here, all of this is... It's really adding to the aesthetic. Oh, rain sounds, music play. Hold on, why am I not able to hear any of this? Is it just too low? What am I doing wrong here? Have I muted anything? Did I hold on. What is the output set to? What is this outputting from? Is there an output device set up? There's a microphone thing set up. Okay, let's go into proper settings and okay. There's microphone, earmuff mode. Yeah, dude, I'm not sure what's going on. Oh, also, I don't think I'm hearing my menu sounds. What is going on with the audio? Okay, hold on. Let me open up my mixer. Let me open up my sound settings and see if I need to like override the output. Just a second. Okay, the output is set to this. Okay, there was another mixer option somewhere here. Where was it? App volume and device preferences, I think. Okay, so VRChat's output, let me set it to this. Let's open up the volume mixer again. For some reason this is showing up as full, but it's not full. What is going on here? Oh, there it is. Okay. So I managed to do the override thing properly. And now let's try to get some of the rain sounds. Okay, you can faintly hear it now. Oh my god, listen to that. Wet footsteps. Look at that, dude. Okay, I can turn this down now. Let's turn it back down to 50. That might have been like super loud on stream. Okay. That's crazy, dude. Dude, these reflections are amazing. This is crazy. I do wish we had more like rainy sounds. Am I able to like control it here? I don't know if the rain sounds are just too faint, and so I'm not able to hear them properly. Okay, so everyone seems to have jumped to a different world. Okay, this world, before we leave, this world, if anyone wants to visit it, is called Celadon Conservatory. And it is made by Honey Ginseng, that is this person. Give me a second. Let me click it properly. There you go. That is this person. They have a bunch of other worlds as well, so go check out their other worlds. And now we are gonna move on to Space. I think we've seen this before. Space 1999. Eagle passenger pod. Wait, oh, is this a new version of the thing? Because like I remember seeing a recreation of something from oh wow, this is big. 400 MB, dude. Holy shit. Okay, so this is gonna take a bit. Let's just wait, I guess. Let me take a look at the list of people, because are we at the end? Oh, we are at the end. Okay. No, we are at the end. So this is the last world, and then we are gonna jump to Godot. To be honest, I'm still wondering if I should do Resonite stuff on stream, because like I'm still learning a lot of it, and I could just, you know, learn on stream. There's a lot to explore in Resonite. Oh, dude, another thing I could do, instead of Godot, today we could work on some Mediapipe stuff. Yeah, we could do that. We could definitely do that. Yeah, you know what? We'll do that. We'll work on some Mediapipe stuff. I'll grab a couple of images and try to use them to get pose information, landmark information. There's going to be two things that I need to look into. One is actually capturing the landmark information, and the other is visualizing the information. So there's going to be two things for me to explore there. I feel like this would be fun to check out on stream. Before that, maybe I should sort of refresh my knowledge of doing stuff in OpenCV, because Mediapipe does use OpenCV for a bunch of things, and even I believe even the what do you call it? Even stuff like accessing the webcam or playing a video or loading an image, writing to an image, stuff like that. I think it uses OpenCV for that, unless they have created their own methods for doing that. I think you do it. I think even in the examples they are accessing it through OpenCV, if I remember right. Man, I haven't touched Python in I don't know. It's been a good month or two, I think, because I got busy with other stuff that didn't involve Python. I got busy with Rust, doing stuff in C#, doing stuff in Godot. Okay, so yes, all right. So I think I remember this. Well, no, not this world. I remember the theme that this world is based around. Real quick, I want to give a shout out before you visit this world. Man, okay, there's a bit of a lag going on here. Okay, so this world is called Space 1999 Eagle Passenger Pod. There's another world that this person released called, I think this was the one. Yeah, Space 1999 Moonbase Alpha. This is based on, I believe the show itself is called Space 1999. I never watched it, but like I found out about it through this person's world. They did a great job even with that world. In that world, you have 3 types of pods that land on the planet every now and then take off, or something similar to that. Or they're just flying by. I don't remember. So you can choose between, I don't remember what all there was. There was a passenger pod. There was a I think there was a supply pod, and then there was some other pod. Maybe there was a VIP pod, which was separate. And right now we are taking a look at the passenger pod. So they made an entire world to show, like they made the passenger pod as its own separate world. Is there stuff that we can interact with here? Do I need to open this door, or can we just not get in? Okay, so we can get in here. Wow, dude, they have created like the entire, whatever the internals of the thing is supposed to be like, they've created the whole thing. That's crazy. Airlock diffusers. What is that supposed to change? Space portals. Work in progress. Oh, this is a portal to that world. Okay, give it a second. It froze. Oh. Give it a second. The thing is struggling for some reason. There's the portal. Okay. Finally loaded. Okay, is this still... Okay, so I guess both of these are yet to be released. Yeah, I think so. I think both of these are yet to be released, which is cool. It means that they have stuff in the works. And these are screenshots from the show. There'll be like a bunch of images here and there. All right, so let's try and explore. Okay, so what do we have here? Dude, I like the way that they have set up this whole thing. Like, I'm loving the quality of everything going on here, all of the aesthetics and all. I'm not very much interested in the show itself. But just the fact that they've made this thing and the aesthetics of it, it's just, this is great. How do I get out of this seat? I sat in. How do I get out? Okay, I guess I just jump. Okay, there is an ad playing. So I guess I'll be quiet for 30 seconds. And yeah, oh, I guess I'll hydrate. Okay, so the ad is done. Welcome back. Um, Also, the community meetup is over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to VS Code. I'm going to need some time because VRChat takes time to close down. And I also need to set up some of the other stuff. So we're going to take a, I don't know, like 5-minute break while I close down VRChat and open up VS Code and open up the other private browser window where I can like load all of the stuff. So in the meantime, you guys can just enjoy the music. And I will switch to the BRB screen. I'll also mute my mic. So you guys can enjoy the music. So we're gonna go into BRB. Wow, this is, I don't know if it's the world or if there's something else, but like this is super heavy. Also, I'm noticing the music is not playing. I think the music paused, so I'm gonna fix that. And yeah, I'll be back in like 5 minutes, I guess. Enjoy the music.
Once everything's perfectly organized, I'll start working on my thesis.
Grammarly will ensure you feel confident nailing your final thesis by supporting your writing journey from start to finish. Welcome to Ideation Station,
How do I write the perfect intro paragraph?
You start with understanding what makes a perfect intro. Grammarly can highlight precise tips for an introductory paragraph based on the research you've done so far.
An informative and inspiring intro. This is exactly what my thesis needed. Now that I've got a strong intro, I need to take a pass at perfecting some of the remaining paragraphs. Revision time?
Revision time. Here at Revision Division, we ensure your writing is the highest quality it can be. This paragraph can be simplified. Grammarly can paraphrase this by using the Improve It prompt, all while maintaining your voice and keeping your work sounding professional.
Awesome. Let's wrap this thesis up with a neat and tidy works cited page.
Grammarly can help with that. Writing citations has never been easier. You can now cite the AI prompts you used.
Perfect. I can even show I used Grammarly for paraphrasing.
There you go. Use AI tools without compromising your integrity.
I have lots of great information in my thesis from different online sources, but I can never remember how to perfectly format my citations.
Just click Get Citation, and you'll have a full citation ready to copy, always formatted perfectly.
Wow, that was fast. This thesis is solid.
One day, people are going to cite your study. How do you feel about that?
Perfect. But Grammarly, how do you feel?
Huh. Nobody's ever asked me that before. Download Grammarly for free.
Ready to perfect your next thesis? Grammarly's there for you from start to finish, across your entire writing journey.
And 94% of students say Grammarly helps improve their grades.
Download Grammarly for free. It's the perfect writing partner.
All right, so I have returned, and VRChat has closed down. Now I'm just gonna set everything else up. I need to change the tags on the stream. I need to, I need to find out if changing the tags on the stream after you have started your stream, if it has any effect or not. Because I don't know. I like to change the tags to, I mean, I have like a fixed set of tags that I use, but there's also tags that I use based on what I'm doing. So when I'm switching over to, when I'm doing VRChat, for example, I'll use tags like VR, Metaverse, and VTuber. I'm still trying to find like which tags are good to use there, but it's not a big deal. I don't stream VRChat all that much. I stream it like once a week, mostly for the community meetup. What was I saying? Oh yeah. And then for Godot, I use other stuff like, well, Godot and coding, programming, and a couple of other stuff as well. And then Rust also has like similar tags plus Rust. Then Python has similar tags, and then additionally, if I'm doing ML stuff, I might add the ML tag. Man, I've like deviated from that path that I was on to learning deep learning. I need to get back on track with that as well. There's so much that I have to explore there. Okay, so all right, I did not mean to do that, but it happened. So now VS Code is going to open up something that I did not mean to open. Oh good, it asked me if I was trying to do so. Do you want to save changes? No, cancel. Okay, let's try this again. Awesome, great. So do I have a Python project here? I believe I did set up a Python. You know what? Okay, we can do a new. We can open up like we can start up a new Mediapipe project. Let me just create the new project. And then I'm gonna need to install a bunch of things. Actually, I don't know if I need what do you call it? Just a second. Let me just navigate to the right folder. Yeah, I don't know if I need Jupyter notebooks for this, cause I have to open up, like I have to show a window, and then I have to like draw stuff onto it. Which I don't know if I can do that. Or well, I mean, maybe I can, but like I don't know how complicated it might be. Okay, let's create a new folder here. Let's call it MP Basics. MP Proj 01. Okay, so let's open this up. All right, next I need to open up the private browser window. Oh, I also need to open up my VTubing app. Okay, so the window is opened up. So now let's look up Mediapipe. All right, great. All right, okay, cool. We are slowly getting there. Oh. Alright, so there is the browser window. And then I think I need... What was game capture for? That was for Godot. Okay. Let's open this up. So I have VS Code. Mediapipe. Where's VS Code? There. Alright, great. Cool. Awesome. I think I can transition now. Great. Nice. So we are not entirely back. Let me change the tags as well. Actually, I need to change the title as well. Then Python Mediapipe studies. Okay, and let's change the category to just chatting. And change the tags. Let's see. I don't know. Python, that's definitely one. Coding, programming, study with me, that's another tag that I use. Co-working, that's another tag. I think that's it. Cool. And with that, we are ready to begin. By the way, I like the fact that there is a community of people who just do study streams. Like that's the whole thing. That's their whole thing. Doing study streams. They probably do other streams as well, but mainly they do study streams. And I realized over the past, based on the streams that I've done over the past couple of months, I'm one of those people. Like I'm also a person who mainly does study with me or work with me streams. It's basically like either I'm studying something and you can come and hang out with me and we can, all study stuff, or I'm working on something and you can come and hang out with me and we can all just work on stuff. I kind of like that. I kind of like the chill stream aspect of it. It's not the most entertaining, I guess, but it's a nice place to just chill out, I guess. Okay. So I need to create the environment first. So let's do that. I forgot what it was on. I think it's VN. Just give the terminal a second to. Oh, in the meantime, I can probably set up my avatar's location. Where should I place it? I think bottom left should be good. Give me a second. Okay. All right, cool. This is loaded as well. So let's do Python M. I think it was this one. I don't remember. And let's name it that. So this command basically creates the environment for you. And it's kind of interesting that that they managed to set it up in this way. So basically the idea is that you call you're running this script or this module, and you pass in an argument. That argument will be the name of the environment, and then it creates all of the stuff for you. Okay, let this command complete. After that, I need to activate the environment. Give it a second. It's taking some time for some reason. Okay, in the meantime, we can probably load up the other... Where was it? think it's here. Code examples, maybe. Yeah, okay. So let's look at the more info thing first. No, there's a demo. Oh yeah, no, okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Oh, okay, command's done. Next I need to activate the thing. What was I think it was env bin scripts activate. No. Oh, it's just scripts, it's not bin. Okay, something is wrong. Oh, I think I need to open a command prompt terminal instead of a PowerShell one. Yeah, I think now it should work. Bin scripts activate.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and exclusive access to all things VIP.
Why do I
Right,
keep
well,
going to
free of
bin,
charge.
dude? Wait, it says env is not recognized. Where exactly are we? Okay, how is env not recognized? Oh, is it the... My god, dude. I don't do this for like a month or two and then suddenly I just forget a whole bunch of shit. Though, to be fair, this specific issue is like more of a Windows versus Linux issue, because like there's two different ways of activating the environment on Windows versus Linux. Just a second. Okay, so now that that's activated, what all do I need to install? I think mainly I need to install Mediapipe. That'll install everything else that's required. What is the command for installing, or rather which package am I trying to install specifically? Let's look at the Python code example. Let's also look at the guide if there is one. Oh shit, I need to download the model as well, don't I? I need to download the model and place it somewhere. Setup guide for Python. Okay, packages. Oh, it's just Mediapipe. Okay. Then there's imports. Then there's the model. Oh, okay. So it breaks down the entire process here, so we can read the entire thing. Great, awesome. So pip3 install Mediapipe. It's probably going to take a little while because there's a, from what I remember, or maybe I'm remembering wrong. Maybe that was Jupyter Notebook. I don't remember. But yeah, let this thing do its thing. I guess we'll read in the meantime. Okay, so Pose Landmark Detection Guide for Python. The Mediapipe Pose Landmarker task lets you detect landmarks of human bodies in an image or video. You can use this task to identify key body locations, analyze posture, and categorize movements. This task uses ML models that work with single images or video. The task outputs body pose landmarks in image coordinates and in three-dimensional world coordinates. The code sample described in these instructions is available on GitHub. For more information about the capabilities, models, and configuration options of this task, see the overview. Okay, great, cool. How is this thing going? Are we making any progress here? Nope. Okay, I guess we're just waiting. Okay. The example code for so-and-so is a complete implementation of this task in Python for your... Oh! Okay, there it is. So it took some time to launch. Now we should be seeing a bunch of stuff here. Where was I? The complete implementation of this task in Python for your reference. This code helps you test this task and get started on building your own pose landmarker. You can view, run, and edit the pose landmarker example code using just your web browser. Okay, setup. This section describes key steps for setting up your development environment and code projects specifically to use Pose Landmarker. For general information on setting up your development environment for using Mediapipe tasks, including platform version requirements, see, you know what? Yeah, let's check this out real quick. Let's see if it gives some extra information that I didn't already know. Because I know how to set up the development environment. I'm trying to figure out if there's any other extra stuff that I need to look into. Okay, supported platforms. Okay, great, awesome. Python version, pip version, development environment setup. After installing the package, import as this. Okay. Mediapipe task dependencies. Mediapipe tasks provide three pre-built binary... What is going on? 3 pre-built libraries. Wait, how are we doing with this? Okay. Oh, wow, okay. It downloaded everything. And we are almost done. Almost done. Installing collected packages. Okay. All right. Hold on. Let me scroll up and see if it installed OpenCV. Because I do remember it using OpenCV. So like that has to be one of the dependencies, right? Or maybe I'm remembering wrong. Because oh yeah, there you go. There's OpenCV and then there's NumPy and I don't know if Matplotlib is part of it somehow. Maybe for like visualization and stuff. No, I think OpenCV does. OpenCV does have tools, albeit like kind of basic tools, but like it does have tools that allow you to write on that allow you to draw stuff onto a pixel. No, onto a pixel. What? No, that allow you to draw stuff onto an image. onto a frame or whatever is being displayed on the screen. One of these days, maybe I should explore that as well, but like I don't know to what extent I'm going to be using that a whole lot. Because like mainly if I'm exploring it, it's going to be for UI related purposes. And if I'm going to be doing UI stuff, then I'm just going to use something else. I'm honestly not going to spend a whole lot of time with UI stuff in OpenCV. Give me a second. It's slowly starting to become hard to talk, so I need to make sure I'm hydrating properly. So I'm going to hydrate. Okay, so now we should be able to create a new thing, and let's call this mpo1.py. Let's start with a print hello world. I don't remember. Python doesn't use semicolon, right? Yeah, no, it doesn't. I mean, you can add it if I remember right, but like it's not required. Okay, Python mpo1.py. All right, cool. Works. Great. Awesome. Right. So, OpenCV. Why is OpenCV not showing up? Oh, okay. It's just CV2. Oh yeah, I think that's what it was. Okay, great, cool. So we have OpenCV. Is matplotlib part of this library? Oh yeah, okay. Matplotlib is, I guess it's part of, well, not part of the library. I meant, is it one of the dependencies? I guess it is. So, great. Well, okay, right now I'm not going to be using matplotlib. Though, let's set up something simple here. I forgot it. I forgot what all I'm supposed to do. So I think we had figure equals plt. Fuck. Okay, hold on. Let me look up the code again. I haven't touched matplotlib in a bit. Matplotlib. Okay, let's look at some examples. A simple there was lines as well, wasn't there? Okay, let's look at the bar one. Fine. Okay, so it was figure and axes. plt.subplot. Okay. And then ax dot okay, so let's do a equals 1 2 3 4. B equals, I don't know, 1 2 2 4. Or let's do 4 2 2 4. Okay. What was the... PLT dot plot, I think. Okay, so the arguments... Man, I forgot how to do this shit. Holy shit, dude. What? I mean, it doesn't really matter right now anyways, because I'm not doing matplotlib. But I just want to do it for old time's sake. Once. Where's the simple example? Why are you showing me all this complex shit, dude? Give me like a simple example. There was a really simple example, and now all of a sudden it's so hard to find it. They're showing me bar graphs when I'm looking for... Okay, there's a multicolored lines thing, so from that I'll take it out. There's subplot, okay. Color bar. Plot. Okay. Alright, so A and B, and I think that should be it, right? Cannot unpack non-iterable axes object. What does subplot return? It returns an axis. Oh. Oh, you know what? Maybe I don't need this at all. Yeah, maybe I don't need this. At least for this specific thing. Okay, cool. There you go. It works. Awesome. Okay, so now I can try CV. Let's look at... Real quick, let's look at some examples of loading an image with OpenCV. Just a second, let me make sure the music is still playing. Also, I'm gonna switch to BRB real quick. Let me go into the browser and... Alright, dude, minimize. Come on, there you go. Okay. Okay, my system seems to be struggling for some reason. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I'm looking for OpenCV. Okay, I'm looking for... Wait, when did they get a deep neural networks module? What? Infer neural networks using built-in DNN module. Okay, yeah, let me transition back. Alright, so we are here. I'm looking for the Python stuff. Introduction to OpenCV. Image processing. Okay. Wait, does this take me to the Python side or the C++ side? Okay, let's look at this. Image processing, core functionality. Okay. Wasn't there was a separate like Python why does this look so different all of a sudden? All right. For some reason, this is being a little more complicated than it needs to be. All right. We are here. Not sure how I was meant to get here. If I was doing it from the website as opposed to doing it from Google. What's a breadcrumb look like? Oh, what does a breadcrumb trail look like? Okay, let's look at the main page. Oh, this is how I was supposed to get there. Okay. Great. Cool. So I looked into OpenCV a little bit. This was a couple months back because I wanted to get a better idea of just doing capture in general, capturing anything from the webcam and then being able to transform the image in various ways, and then also being able to like write stuff on the image and draw shapes and all of that stuff. I looked into, so okay, there was introduction to OpenCV. There was GUI features. I don't think image processing was part of it, because like that all goes into more advanced stuff, which I don't need to go into right now. Actually, I don't need to go into it at all because I'm trying to use Mediapipe, which already does a lot of this stuff, and then some. I think Mediapipe might be using some of the features provided by OpenCV in order to do the various things that it does. So I don't need to look into that just yet, but like later on, if I'm trying to like build my own computer vision algorithms, then maybe I might need to use OpenCV. Let me look at that deep neural networks module. Oh shit, wait, this is the C++ side, isn't it? I think this is, yeah, this is the C++ side. Is it there in... There's a machine learning thing here. Computational photography, object detection, OpenCV Python bindings. Oh, okay. That's fine. Anyways, we're not looking for that right now. Okay, GUI features, core operations. Yeah, okay. This is it. Actually, this is it. So this is what I'm looking for. Getting started with images and getting started with videos. And then a little bit, we can look a little bit into drawing functions, and then we can stop there. We don't need to look into these two. Okay, so let's get started with it. Because I feel like because I don't want to have like a live webcam feed going, so I'm gonna be loading up images and videos and stuff like that to then get like various body pose information and stuff. Actually, I don't think I've tried loading up a pre-recorded video. I think I've loaded up an image, and I think I've loaded up, well, I've connected a webcam and like I've loaded up the webcam feed, and the webcam feed gets presented as multiple frames as the webcam captures it. So basically what I'm looking at is a series of images, right? But like with a video, I need to be able to tell it when to start and when to stop. Which, I mean, it's kind of the same with a webcam as well. I need to be able to tell it when to start and when to stop. But yeah, okay, let's take a look at this. This tutorial can contain obsolete information. Okay, good to know. In this tutorial, you will learn how to read an image from file using CV im read, display an image in the OpenCV window using imshow, write an image to a file using imwrite. Okay, so this is our code. Sys.exit could not read image. Sys.exit, does that close the application, or is it just providing? Wait, no, does that close the application and then provide a, what does sys do? Hold on. I mean, what does sys.exit do? Let me just look at the, I mean, I assumed it exits the program, but I'm wondering what that extra thing is for. Like, is it gonna display some kind of message? Okay, it doesn't give a definition of the thing. Let's just say test. I could look this up. Oh yeah, okay, so it gives a message and then it exits. Let me just confirm that. Python sys.exit. Python's exit function, sys.exit, is a built-in method used to terminate a Python script. It raises the system exit exception, which, if not caught, causes the Python interpreter to quit. It's commonly used to manage the termination of Python programs, especially in multiprocess applications. Okay. Okay. All right. So image equals cv.imread. So from what I remember, what imread loads is an array of all the pixels. Well, it loads an array of all the colors of each pixel. And OpenCV had its own way of displaying RGB. It wasn't RGBA exactly. Or well, I don't know if A even comes in here. It wasn't RGB. It was, I think, RBG or maybe GRB. Maybe it's mentioned somewhere here. BGR. Okay, it loads it in the BGR color format. So that's blue, green, red, not red, green, blue. Are we able to change that? Read color, read unchanged, grayscale. Okay. Right. So let's do img equals, oh, I don't have an image. Let me pick an image to show. What's a good image to show? I have a couple of images here that I can use. Yeah, I have a bunch of images. I just remembered. Where is that folder? Okay. Oh, I have the Blender the color grid thing. Maybe I could use that. Yeah, I could use that. So let's grab that. I could also build an image because like we're gonna write to an image, right? So I could do that. Can I like paste the thing directly in here? Would that work? I don't think that works. Okay, so here's what we can do. Reveal this. Okay. And then I can drop the image here. So I think we're good now. Great. Awesome. So I can do, what was it? cv.im read, I think. Yeah. cv.im read. The file path is, it's in the same folder, so it'll be colorgrid.png. I don't think I need to specify anything else, do I? Let's go back to that page. Okay, then there's a check for if the image was not loaded. Then there's show, and then there's wait key. Now there was something with wait key that I need to keep in mind, because like there was a thing where I wait for the key. Oh, I think it was I think I had to do it in a loop, if I remember right. Or well, that was for the specific thing that I was trying to do. I think it was because I was reading each frame, and here I'm only reading one frame, like one image. Okay. So the image is loaded. Do I have to close anything to like release the resources or something? Okay, I don't think so. Fine. I am show. Window name. Test window. And then this would be the image, which in this case is called material. So then we do key equals, was it cv.wait key? Yeah, cv.wait key. I think 0 is the, okay, 0 is the delay. Then if k equals ord, I believe converts, so wait key returns, it doesn't return the key itself, it returns some kind of code that represents the key. ORD allows you to get like that numerical representation of the key. So here I can do this, for example. Yeah, there you go. It returns the Unicode code point. And I think wait key also does that. Yeah, it returns an integer. Okay, so if that happens... Oh, that's for writing. Okay, so I could, let's say I can create a copy of this. So I'll write a new image. I am write. File name, let's call it cgo1.png, and the image would be img. I don't think there's any other parameters. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, cool. So let's run it. All right, awesome. It's displaying what I wanted it to display. Great. I think I should set the size of the window. And if I hit save, it creates a new thing here. Great. Awesome. Where do I specify window parameters? I think there was a separate thing. How do I specify display window? Was it in IMShow or was it in something else? Okay, window name. Was it this? Set window property? Window name would be test window. I don't know the property ID. How do I get that? Yeah, maybe I should Google this. OpenCV set window size. There's resize window. Resize window. Give it the name and then the width and the height. Okay. So what am I looking for? Okay, so let's take this. Let's make this like a. What was the other one called? 4:6, I think. Aspect ratio. Anyways, let's do 1024 by 768. So basically, not a 16:9 ratio. It's a. What was the other one called, dude? I can't remember. Was it a 4:6 ratio? Anyways. Did that do it? I think that did it, right? Okay, what if I take it down to 600 by 400? There it is. Okay. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So it does resize, but it kind of crops the image. So I was wondering like what it was gonna do, how it was gonna treat the image that's being displayed, but it turns out it just doesn't display that part of the image. Like whatever part is not gonna fit in there. I was wondering if it's gonna like shrink it down, and if it shrinks it down, then like do you have something similar to like a texture filtering process? Like during texture sampling, they have like a filtering thing. Anyways, okay, cool. Wait, hold up. What does it save if I do this? What is it saving now? Let's try loading up CG01. Did it just save a cropped version of the image or a proper size thing? Okay, it saved a proper size thing. Great. Right, awesome. So that's cool. Nice and simple, easy to read and show an image, and it's relatively simple to get input in the window, and then you can also write to the image. Great. If I remember right, there was a way to grayscale. Oh, you know what I could do? What if I created... So let's create a color. Okay, wait, what happens if I just show this image and like don't have any way of closing it? Does it just open and close? No, it remains open. And then any key press closes it. Okay. Wait, is that really what happened? Let me just try that again. Yeah, okay. Any key press closes it. All right. So, hold up. Oh, was it only working because I had a wait key thing?
Listen, you can
Okay,
use the
that makes
Community
sense.
Meetup
So
and
just
use it
adding the wait
and
key
the Community
command
app
makes it
and
wait
all
for
of a bunch
input,
of other apps.
and
That
then
really adds up.
because I'm not
Why not
doing
get YouTube
anything after
Premium for
that, so
just
it
one
just
price?
closes
Protect your
the
universe
UI.
and the entire
That
world of
makes
YouTube
sense.
uninterrupted.
So what was I going to do? I was going
You're
to
welcome.
write to a new image and then try and display
YouTube
that
Premium.
image. So here's what we can do. We can create, so let's do color equals, what is it? BGR, right? Okay. So I want to do gray for now. Okay. And then I want to create this. How do I want to display this? How do I want to display this? Because like, okay. All right, there's an ad playing. It's going to end in some time. Let me hydrate. Hold on. It is becoming really hard to talk. It's kind of weird because usually when I get to this point and I keep going, then I start to slowly feel I don't even know how to describe it. Kind of like being sick, but not really sick. Like you feel like something in your sinus when you're sick. I start to feel that if I keep on going, and that's why I have to stop after a certain point. Okay. So I am trying. So I was trying to think of like a list comprehension way of doing this, but for now, I guess we'll just wait. So this has to be a list of lists, right? So we can make this an empty thing. Okay, then for I in range 10. And then here we can do for j in range 10. So that would be a 10 by 10 thing. img dot append, I think. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, no, hold on. So, wait, this is a list of lists of lists, isn't it? Like, doesn't OpenCV read the... What is OpenCV reading to figure out... Because, okay, hold up. How are the pixels meant to be laid out? Because, like, I assume it's using... Like, I'm assuming it uses the way that you've laid them out to determine, like, what the image is going to look like. Unless, for whatever reason, it lays it out linearly and, like... But then how is it determining what goes on the next row and then the next row and then the next row? Because like if there's no dimensions mentioned, how is it doing that? Okay, hold up, dude. Let's do image dot append let's make a new row of color. Okay, so that's gonna be a row, and then I do 4 of this, right? So we should have a 4x4 grid, I guess. I think. I'm not sure. Hold on. What happened? What's the error? Mat is not a NumPy array, neither a scalar. It has to be a NumPy array? Is that what imread returns? No, it returns a mat-like. What's the error saying? It says it's not a scalar. Okay. Expected CUDA GPU mat or UMAT or... Okay. Let's create a NumPy array. I haven't done this in a bit. Holy shit, dude. Okay, how do you create a fucking array in NumPy? What was it? Array? Oh shit, dude. I need to refresh my knowledge. Hold on. NumPy array example. Okay. All right. Okay. So we lay it out. So it starts with 1. Oh, wait. I can... Okay, never mind. Yeah. So it starts with 1 list, right? And then that list can have this, I think. Yeah, it has to be a list of lists, right? I think that should be... Yeah, I think that's good. Oh, do I still have that here? Yeah, that's a mistake. Okay, so it displayed something small over here. All right, great. So, wait, did it display? I think it was a 4x4 image that it displayed, right? I think so. I think so. Wait, no. Was it a 4x4? Because like I imagine it would be... Wait, how do I add more to IMG? Is there an append? What is the NumPy version of that? NumPy array add element. There's NumPy.append add single element to an array in NumPy. Append creates a new array which can be the old array with the appended element. Okay, NumPy does have an append thing. What does this return? This returns a new array. Okay, so let's do that. Right. So I guess I don't need this then. Can I just give 0 arguments? Does that work? Is that a thing? I mean, maybe it might throw an error. Nope. Okay. It's missing an argument. So it needs an array at the very least, even if it's an empty array. That, I believe that worked. Okay. The error occurred with IAmShow because there's nothing to show. Alright, so now I can append color, color, color. How do I construct this? Because the append would be for each row, right? But then I need to construct the row. Okay, we can do this. Okay, for I in range, let's say 100. Row equals wait, what? Okay, for j in range 100. No, dude, hold on. I'm having a hard time visualizing this. Okay, so we are creating. Oh, it could be at the bottom. It could be at the bottom. Yeah, okay. I didn't think about that. Okay, so row. Wait, maybe I need to define row here just so I can access it later. Row dot append color. Okay, so that creates a row of 100. Right, and then I do image dot append. No. Image equals np dot append image with the value of row. Right. So let's see if that worked. Okay, so my logic was flawed. It kind of worked, but didn't really work. So for j in range so and so row dot append. Okay. So it creates an array of an array. Wait, I need to see. Okay, OpenCV. I am read rows versus columns. Number of pixels versus rows multiplied by columns. OpenCV documentation basic operate. Oh, maybe basic operation shows. Where's that thing? There was an option for, oh, there it is, basic operations. Access pixel values and modify them. Okay. You can access a pixel value by its row and column coordinates. Right. So each pixel would be a list, right? And then this list, well, each pixel is a list of 3 values, right? And then each row would be a list of these pixels. And then you would have multiple such rows, which then makes up like an n by n grid of pixels. Right? Okay, why did my thing not work here then? Also, hold up. Oh yeah, okay, okay. Why did my thing not work here? Am I doing something wrong here? Wait, dude, what happens if I just do this? Can I just set it like this? Would that work? Do I need append? Nope, there's an issue. It's out of bounds because it is not that big. Okay. Wait, am I forgetting how NumPy lays out? Yeah, I think I might be forgetting how NumPy lays out. It's Wait, am I missing something in the append thing? Because appends values to the end of the array. Okay. If it's appending the value to the end of the array, there's 100. There's 100 of them. Hold on. So let's do 20 by 20. Nope, still that big. Okay, let's try 5 by 5. Okay, now it's small. That is interesting. I'm missing something here. What is this? Is it expecting It's expecting BGR, right? There's no alpha in there. Okay. What am I doing wrong here? So, okay, we set up an empty array. In that array, we add hold up. Am I maybe forgetting the size? Or, well, no, the shape. Let me see if I can get like a read on the shape of image. I haven't touched NumPy in a while. Okay, it says 300. Hold on. Why is it saying that? NumPy shape. Returns the shape of an array, parameters like so and so, so and so. Okay, wait, let's see. I've forgotten what the shape looks like. Hold on. Array, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, array 01. Okay, so that's showing 3 by 3. I've forgotten how it gets laid out. So I'm assuming, okay, so it shows rows and columns. There used to be a third thing as well. Well, no, I think you get multiple, right? Depending on the dimensionality of the array. I think you get multiple. Okay, that being said, why is it that I'm getting what seems like a one-dimensional array? Which... No, that's not a one-dimensional array. Is it? Now, what if I do this? Okay. Okay. I think append might be causing issues. Do I need to specify the shape? What do I specify in axis? The axis along which values are appended. If axis is not given, both array and values are flattened before use. Oh. Alright. Okay. So let's provide an axis. I'm trying to append on the x-axis. How do I specify that I want to append on the x-axis? Would x be 0 and y be 1? Let's try that. All the input arrays must have the same number of dimensions, but the array at index 0 has 1 dimension and the array at index 1 has 2 dimensions. Wait, what? Hold on. Let me look this up. Append. I haven't touched NumPy in a while, so like I've forgotten a bunch of the stuff that I learned. Axis, the axis along which so and so. Okay, fine. Is this the problem? No, that still wasn't the problem. I think the problem is occurring because like I'm specifying an axis on which along which it has to append, but this is like a multi-dimensional array. So like I think I need to specify the axis based on that, but like I'm having a hard time thinking of what the axis should be here. Okay, NumPy. You know what? Okay, hold on. Let's try to understand this. So row 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so we can have 3 of these. Then let's print out the shape. Maybe I should get rid of this because that's going to throw an error again. Okay, so that's 3, 3, 3. That didn't... Yeah, that was my fault. Let's do that. Okay, so we have 3 of these. Let's make them separate numbers, so at least I can like differentiate. Okay, so it's 2 rows. Each row contains 4 columns, and each element in the column has 3 items. Right, now how do I specify append multidimensional array? Let's do that. If you know the dimension of the final array, you could use np.vstack. Hold on. Why don't I... Yeah, why... I didn't think of this before. Why am I doing this? Why don't I just So we have the array here. Let's do temp. Let's call this temp. Okay, so for I in range 100, for j in range 100, temp dot append actually no, this should come here, and then here I need to do, I don't know, let's just temp 01. So here we can do temp 01 dot append is this how? No, it's just, wait, it's one row. Yeah, okay, so I just need to append this, and then here I can append temp 01. Though, I mean, then I can just call it row, right? So then I can do row there, and here I can do img equals np array. I can just pass in the entire thing. That would work. Unsupported operand type for list and int. Oh, it's supposed to be array, not arranged. Or, well, not arrange. I was calling the wrong method. Okay, so we are getting somewhere. Great. I think I hit the minimum that it requires. So maybe let's do 200. Yeah, okay, cool. That works. Awesome. Great. Let's change the colors around a little bit. It's BGR, right? So let's do minimum green, more blue, and kind of bit of red. Awesome. Great. That works. Okay, dude, I want to continue, but like I'm super tired, and like my voice is also just like, yeah, it's getting to that point that I'm gonna have a hard time talking. I guess this is a good time to end. So I'm probably I'm gonna relax for some time. I'm gonna end the stream here. I'll relax for some time, and then I'll carry on reading up on the basics. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe for tomorrow's stream, we can carry on doing more OpenCV stuff. Or if I've finished learning the basics or relearning the basics of OpenCV again, if I manage to finish relearning all the basics, both image and video, then I can then we can like proceed with learning the basics of Mediapipe. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's stream. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks, Sarah, for hanging out, and anyone else who might have been lurking in the chat. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.